Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeffrey, and this is a review of the new Rival Fate, a spring-powered single-shot breech-loading pistol from Nerf. So let's see what you get in the box. Included with the Fate is the blaster, 3 balls and instructions. Now let's have a closer look at the Fate. The Fate is from a sub-series of Rival featuring Nerf's new AccuRounds, optimized barrel and an adjustable rear sight. Starting from the front, is the orange optimized barrel which also closes the breech. The body of the Fate is a new blue color with cool-looking yellow and black highlights. In the back we have a trigger safety. In the forward position it's locked, you are not able to pull the trigger. Flicking the switch back releases the trigger safety allowing you to fire. The trigger pull is similar to other Rival blasters. And now down to the grip. The Fate's grip is very comfortable for a mature hand, but it may seem big for a younger hand. This is likely because Rival blasters were designed for ages 14 and up. The left side of the Fate is noticeably plainer, missing its paintwork and the trigger safety switch. The top of the Fate features a large front sight, followed by the breech where you would load your Rival rounds. At the rear is an adjustable rear sight. Sliding the sight up and down changes the elevation of the sight. The Fate uses a T-style priming handle. Pulling back on the handle opens the breech allowing you to load one Rival round. Pushing forward on the barrel closes the breech and you are ready to fire. I personally found priming the Fate to be very easy. And now I will show you the blaster firing. Honestly, I did not notice any difference firing the new AccuRounds. Though this might be due to the short distance I was firing from. Overall, firing the Fate was very enjoyable. I did not encounter any jams or malfunctions. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more stuff from me, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.